How do I write an in-text citation? What if my source doesn't have an author or a page number? And what do I do if I want to omit something? Well, these questions will be answered along with others in today's video. Hi everyone, I'm glad to see that you joined us for this video. Today we're going to be going over 10 items that a lot of students often look for when trying to figure out how to use a quote in their essay. With that in mind, if you have anything that you want to learn more about, feel free to use the link in the description to view the textbook reference for this video's information. Don't forget to like and subscribe too for more tutorials on writing. There are a variety of ways you can reference the author. Besides this first idea, the most common thought is where the author and page number are both referenced in the sentence, especially when you have a paraphrase or quote. Another misconception is that the parenthetical citation has to be at the end of the sentence. You can also have it at the beginning if it is paired with the last name of the author. When there are no authors referenced, you are able to refer to the article, the website, or the organization where the text comes from. Just make sure to double check if there is an author for online sources by scrolling around the entire article. In terms of sources outside of books, you can follow these key principles. Aside from the citations themselves, you can add a non-essential clause to introduce some background about the quotes or source. At one point or another, small errors like comma or period usage come up in every paper. So here are some things to keep in mind with quotes and punctuation. Coming up on number 9, omission and alteration. To add or change text from a quote, you often use brackets or parentheses. Whenever you only want to use a part of a quote, you can omit parts of the quote with these tips. Number 10. While most quotes are placed into writing the same way as your commentary, longer quotes are treated a little differently. Poetry is similar because they can be indented, or they can be quoted regularly with a forward slash to separate the lines. That was a lot to go over. I hope that a lot of the information in this video will be helpful to you as you try to figure out how to use your quotes in your next essay. With that, my name is Mark Maslar, and these are the 7 phases of great essay writing. I'll see you in the next video, and happy writing, everyone.